Good morning, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we're going to show you what it means to get the chickens from the post office. I've got a bunch of co-workers and friends. I say that and they're like, huh? How do you get chickens from the post office? So, a little bit about how this works. It's a little before 7 a.m. Post office doesn't open until, I don't know, 8 I think it is. And we'll be at their door about 7:15. And they called this morning, I don't know, 15 minutes ago or so. Took me a little bit of time to get ready and get out the door. But, yeah, the baby chicks are in, so they give you an early morning call, and you just come up there. There's a door at this post office. It's blue. It's a steel door. And they ask you to go up and knock on that door, and sometimes things are going on in the back that are a little loud, so they can't hear you, so it can get to be a lot of pounding on the door. We'll see. But yeah, this post office is really awesome though. They don't have to call you early. You can let your chicks stay in there, and they haven't eaten yet. They've been on the road for 3 days. You know, we're glad we can come and get them early, so big shout out to the Yorkville Post Office for doing that. I guess the only other thing you need is, you know, your best chicken helper in the passenger seat and best dog in the back. That's how you go get the chickens. Here we are, we're pulling up to our friendly hometown post office here. You'll notice the lack of cars and other things going on here. They don't call everybody to come get the mail. I'm not going to film in the post office. I don't know if they would appreciate that or even want it at all, so we'll just pull up here and I'll go in and we'll see if I got some chickens when I come out. Hi there. This is what the baby chicks come in, and hi Sadie, the lady at the post office you know, hi, what you here for, and you tell them your name and here for some baby chicks. They know that nobody else is, you know, going to be lurking like that, so she didn't ask for ID, which is, you know, fine, I think. Can that come open? She's going to open this up. Let me just give it a little more. Put a little staple there and staple it on the other end. Our faithful dog here can't help it to look.
I think we might have got a wrong chicken.
That's our extra chicken.
What breed is it?
We don't know. I don't even know if it says anywhere. They have a shipping label right in there. You can see that.
A free surprise chick.
Barred rocks, and we got one free surprise chick. And that's an option when you're ordering these on the internet, if you want that or not. So I said, why not? Let's see what it is. So we got one free surprise chick. The dog just can't stop looking here. Do you like those chicks? And so this is what they look like. We like to open the box. Everybody alive in there? Okay, back up, Sadie. And so now we drive home, and we'll show you the process there, but essentially what we do when we get home is we put them in the brooder house. The brooder house has already been prepared. And then we, Sadie, no.
It's got furry feet.
And so the brooder house has been prepared. So we'll put them in there, but we dip their beaks in the water right when we set them in there so that they know what water is. These guys haven't eaten or drank since they were born. They get born, they get put in the box and sent on their way, and they've been traveling since Tuesday evening. it's Friday morning here. So they're hungry. We'll put a little bit of food on the paper towel so that they can see it and get to it. And we'll show you that whole thing when we get home. Here we go. Well, I don't know how much of the bugs in the window that are coming onto the camera, but we're gonna get them washed off. We're gonna be doing videos of driving down the road. Here we are, pulling back up to the house. Pull right up to the brooder here, no reason not to. I'll leave Sadie in the pickup so she can't run around and do whatever she wants to go do, like probably go see the pigs. So what they're doing is they're just dipping their beaks in the water. Just enough so that the birds realize there's water in the world. They haven't had a drink yet ever in their life. So that's what we do when we bring them here, just dip their beaks once. And after that we set them down. Some of them we set them over by the food. Give them a minute and they'll start pecking at that and eating it. Pretty fun. They're running around and these guys are already figuring out on the paper towel and even in the feeder what the food is. So that's really cool because usually you have to get them on the paper towel first. They don't really know what to do with the feeder, but these guys they're very vibrant chickens. They're tweeting loud, running all over the place. So really good. I'm really pleased with this order. So hopefully everybody makes it. All right, I just want to show you this. This is kind of a secondary brooder setup. It's just a stock tank, and this is our son's project. These are kind of pet chickens, and the ones he wanted to get were called Silkies. It's a breed of chickens that have a lot of fluffy feathers over their head and on their feet. And so what we have here, this is our mystery chicken we were just showing you. It's kind of hard to see because of the red light. And he's in the tank with his new buddies now. These are some Silkies. They're kind of a charcoal blue colored Silky. And these are about a week old. And our little buddy here already looks about the same size. So we'll see how that goes. But looks like he's maybe gonna find the food, find his friends, and hopefully the water. Those are Silky chickens, and then our mystery chicken. And they're all, yeah, they're doing okay. We've had trouble introducing an extra chicken to the batch when they're older. Hopefully this will just go just fine since everybody's just young and little bitty chicks. All right, that's the end of this. That's how you go get chickens at the post office. Hopefully that helps explain that and shows a little bit about how that works.